let's discuss the fourth case, that is when the bill is sent for collection. Now let me explain you the meaning of this phrase first of all. Bill is sent for the collection means when drawer writes the bill and gives the bill to drawee, drawee accepts the bill and returns the bill to drawer. Then what drawer does, basically the drawer then gives the same bill to the bank, not for the purpose of taking money from the bank, rather to keep it safe with the bank, and then instructs the bank to receive the payment from the drawee on the due date, and then the drawer tells the bank to give him the information when the money has been received. I repeat, when the drawer gives the bill to the bank for keeping it safe and informs or instructs the bank to take money from the drawee on the due date, and drawee was also informed about this thing, that the bill has been given to the bank and now they have to or now then drawee has to make payment to the bank. I hope the case is simple and clear as well. So now let's discuss one question. We have to pass entries in the books of drawer as well in the books of drawee. Read the question. Question is on 1st October 2018, X sells goods to Y. It means X is drawer and Y is drawee. Now as X has sold the goods, so entry would be Y account debited to sales account. You know the meaning of this entry very well. आप जिसकी बुक्स बनाते हैं उसकी बुक्स में उसका नाम कभी नहीं आता. If I am making the books of X here, then I have to show the part. हमें क्या part show करना पड़ेगा कि X की Y के साथ transaction क्या हुई. That's all. I can't use X account in the books of X itself. Now X has sold goods to Y, so Y is the debtor and goods goes out. Then in the case of drawee, as he has purchased the goods, so debit what comes in and X is the creditor. Now amount is 20,000. I hope this first entry is clear. Now you know the next treatment. आगे क्या होता है you know. X is going to write the bill, will give the bill to Y, Y will sign on the bill which shows that Y has accepted the bill, and Y will hand over the bill to X. So now X wants Y to be his bill receivable, not his debtor, right? So what entry will be passed? BR to Y. And that side X debit to bills payable. I hope this point is also clear. Now what X did, X has given the bill to bank, and you don't have to make the entries in the books of banks. Okay, X has given the bill to the bank not for taking payment from him early, only to keep the bill with the bank safely. So it means that bill has been sent for collection. So we open a new account, bill sent for collection account debited, right? And as BR has been given to bank, so BR goes out. So I'll write to BR. Amount would be 20,000. Got it? Now X has only informed Y, so no entry will be passed in the books of Y because the transaction is between X and the bank. Y is not at all concerned about it. Now on the due date. So now let's check what's the due date. The goods was sold on October 1. Bill was written on October 1. Then bill was sent for collection on October 1. Okay. Now just read the question. The bill has been written for 2 months. It means October to November, first month. November to December, second month. So 1st December, giving 3 days of grace, leaving 1st, 2nd and 3rd, December 4 would become the due date. Now on December 4, Y is going to make the payment, but Y will make the payment to the one who is having the bill. Bill is with the bank, so Y will make payment to bank. So bills payable account debited to cash account 20,000. You know the logic very well. Cash goes out, that's why I am going to credit it. Now no entry will be passed in the books of drawer because the bill is with the bank, not with the drawer. So I hope this fourth case is also clear to you. Thank you.